Balcony glazing provides protection your balcony from precipitation, wind, dust, dirt, insects and birds. Glazing a balcony prolongs the warm season slightly and reduces heat loss from the apartment. Glass on the balcony protects against flying insects in summer and snow in winter. Glazed balconies add to the aesthetic appeal of a building, especially if the balconies of the whole building are unified design.
Balcony glazing can be framed or frameless, warm or cold. A birch balcony can be glazed on rails or folded. In all systems, the main frame into which the system will be installed is assembled first. With a folding system, the glazing can be pushed across the entire balcony area. In the case of balconies with concrete enclosures, the glazing is done from the top of the support. If the balcony is an old balcony and the customer wants to install glazing, it is possible to do it from the glass itself and to make the upper part openable. The system shall have a main bottom rail and a top rail which are of equal height and a drainage gutter at the bottom. If condensation occurs on the glass, it runs down into the gutter and is drained outdoors, thus protecting the balcony interior from moisture. In addition, a silicone spike is used to protect against precipitation, wind, snow, and rain. This detail is called a glass trap, where the glass opens or closes to prevent it from tilting and to ensure that it comes out neatly. The entrance glass has brushes that protect the glazing from the ingress of moisture. This detail is called the glass holder. When you open the glass, you lock it in place, and a gust of wind does not open the windows. The system closes completely, the corners are beautifully joined, the glass closes and locks, and for added security it is also folded in. In the other system, the panes roll over each other. In this system, the lower frame, the upper frame, and the side frame are assembled into a single unit. Sealing brushes are inserted in the upper profile, through which the glass passes to prevent it from crashing into the aluminum profile. A brush shall also be used to prevent wind blowing and water ingress. It shall be screwed on, smoothed out, and the customer shall be wished good use. Tempered glass shall be used in the frameless system. The larger the sash, the thicker the glass. Tempered glass is more resistant than normal glass, especially in the lower part of the balcony, where the chance of breakage is higher. Tinted glass can be installed in the lower part of the balcony. Often it is desirable to hide objects on the balcony, so frosted glass can be installed. The balcony frame profile and other parts are cut to the millimeter in the factory, so it is important to measure the opening accurately. Intornas can prepare profile glass kits for balcony installation companies and deliver to the specified location. There are many balcony glaziers, so it is difficult to choose the right company. It has to be said that every project is unique, as there are many details to be aware of in our work that determine the quality. This requires experience, technological know-how, and the right tools. Preparing the holes in the fence for glazing. In this case, the drilling must be done with care, as there is glass underneath. The profiles of the balcony frame are joined together. The jointed frame is inserted into the opening and fixed. The glass sashes are placed in the frame and may need to be adjusted, depending on how easily they move and how rigidly they join. Balcony alignment for Intornas specialists took several hours. The sashes move flawlessly and the glass joins perfectly. The cost of balcony glazing depends on the situation. We will calculate it on site. The figures should be based on the figures given in the credits and film descriptions.
Owners of glazed balconies are faced with the problem of cleaning the glazed balcony. In the case of an unventilated part, it is quite risky to access the outer glass. Sliding systems, the sashes can be easily removed, cleaned and reinserted. The same can easily be lifted by one person. The folding system is even easier to clean. It slides upright and is very easy to reach.
A second-generation family business. We started almost 3 decades ago by manufacturing and installing aluminum windows, doors, and conservatories. Aluminum glazing systems are an activity in which we specialize. We do not get distracted. In the long life of the company, we have also completed very complex projects that others have not dared to take on. We have a wealth of experience. We manufacture and install our own, so we check quality at every stage of the project. We have provided post-warranty service for our customers, even for projects completed 15 years ago.